In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Dropbox Sign. Dropbox Sign, formerly known as HelloSign, allows you to send documents online and collect legally binding electronic signatures in a simple, organized way. If you need to get a form, agreement, or approval signed without printing or scanning anything, this is a very convenient tool. To get started, open Dropbox Sign and sign in using your Dropbox account, or create an account if you do not already have one. Once you are signed in, you may see a few setup prompts. Go ahead and complete those so your account is ready to use properly. After that, begin your signature request by clicking Request Signatures. Then choose Upload File and select the document you want to send. Dropbox Sign supports common file types such as PDFs and Word documents. Once you choose the file, give it a moment to upload completely before moving on. Next, add the people who need to sign the document, enter the email address for each signer, and if the platform asks for names as well, fill those in too. This helps keep the request clear and organized, especially if more than one person needs to sign. When everything looks correct, click Next. Now you will place the signature and form fields onto the document. Drag and drop the signature field wherever a signature is required. If needed, you can also add other fields like the date, initials, a text box, or a checkbox. This is useful if the signer needs to provide more than just a signature. As you place each field, make sure it is assigned to the correct signer so the right person can complete the right sections. Once the fields are in place, review the document carefully. This is a good time to make sure everything is positioned correctly and nothing has been missed. You can also add a subject line and a message if you want to give the signer extra context. When you are ready, click Send for signature. The signer will then receive an email with a link they can use to review and sign the document. After sending it, you can track the progress by opening Dropbox Sign and going to Documents or Requests. There you can check the status of the file, such as whether it has been sent, viewed, signed, or fully completed. When the signing process is finished, open the completed request and click Download. You can then save the signed PDF either to your computer or directly to your Dropbox account. If the signer does not receive the email, ask them to check their spam or junk folder, confirm the email address was entered correctly, and resend the request if needed. If a file will not upload, make sure the format is supported, try converting it to PDF, and check your internet connection. If signature fields seem to be missing, reopen the document editor and confirm the fields are assigned to the correct signer.